In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Ninja Forms on your WordPress website. By the end, you'll have Ninja Forms installed, activated, and added to a page, plus you'll know how to quickly test that it's working. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, head to your site's admin area by visiting your site URL followed by WP admin, then enter your login details. Once you're in, we'll install the Ninja Forms plugin. You have two ways to install it. Option A is from the WordPress plugin directory. In the left sidebar, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Ninja Forms. When you see it in the results, click Install Now, and once the button changes, click Activate. This is the quickest method if you don't already have the plugin file. Option B is to upload the plugin manually, which is helpful if you downloaded it from the official website. Go to Plugins, then Add New, then click Upload Plugin. Choose the zip file from your computer, upload it, click Install Now, and then Activate. If your site uses security or caching plugins, give it a few seconds to reflect the change. To verify activation, look at your WordPress dashboard sidebar. You should see a new menu item labeled Ninja Forms. If it's there, you're good to go. Next, let's create your first form. Click Ninja Forms, then Add New. You can start from a template, like a simple contact form, or create one from scratch. Give your form a clear name so you can find it later. If you open the form builder, you can see the fields and settings. When you're ready, save or publish the form. Now add the form to a page or post using the block editor. Open the page or post where you want the form to appear, click the plus icon to add a new block, and search for the Ninja Forms block. Insert it, then select your form from the drop-down. Position it where you want, then click Update or Publish on the page. Finally, test your form. Visit the page where you added it and submit a test entry. Make sure the form displays correctly, the fields look right on desktop and mobile, and you see a confirmation message after submission. If something looks off, refresh the page or clear your cache and try again. That's it. You've activated Ninja Forms, created your first form, added it to a page, and tested it. Thanks for watching and enjoy building forms on your site.